So me and Ty. Okay, you do it.
So me and Mommy, we are going to do a contest, and we are going to how fast we can eat the chicken nuggets.
Are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Who's gonna win? All right.
All right, you ready?
So ready?
How much do you have?
Same amount as you. 6 chicken nuggets, okay?
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Ty, you gotta go fast, buddy. Come on. Hurry up. Nice, one down. All right. Good job, come on. No playing games. Yeah, that's my man. There you go. There you go. Oh, see, Mommy's going slow.
No, that's how I eat.
Hurry up, Papa. Uh-oh, Ty's killing it, baby.
I ate too.
Uh-oh. Hurry up, Ty. Don't worry about what she's doing. You eat yours. There you go. Knock another one down. There's 2, baby. Come on, Ty. Don't worry what Mommy's doing. You worry about your own.
I think I might beat you, Ty.
Hurry up. Hurry up, Ty. Drink some water. Get it down.
Okay, chew what's in your mouth first.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a contest, though, bud. Drink some water. That's what I'm saying. It'll help the...
Oh, he's got to drink. He's got to eat what's in his mouth first.
We had 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Well, let's knock some more out, baby. 3 more.
I think I need more water too.
Let's go, Papa. I ate to tell you, baby.
I got you. I think one line's still done. I got 2 more.
Uh-oh. Hurry up. Oh, my bud. Keep going. Chew and swallow. Chew and swallow.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Let me stop.
Okay.
No, you need to keep going. What do you mean? You don't stop. There's no stopping in a contest. Ty, don't worry what she's doing. You worry about you.
Make sure you chew what's in your mouth, Ty.
Mommy's waiting there forever.
I'm down.
Ty, eat your food. Don't worry what she's doing. Nice. 1 more left, baby. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Chew what's in your mouth.
Come on. Let's go.
Chew what's in your mouth.
Go ahead, Ty. All right, let's see if you can beat 5 minutes. Let's go.
Chew what's in your mouth.
Go ahead, Ty. Keep going.
No.
Ty, keep going. Don't worry about it. Chew and bite. Chew and bite. Let's go.
Chew what's in your mouth, okay?
Ty, you got a little bite. Put it in your mouth and you're done. You win. Good job. Ty's the winner.
Good job.
All right. 4:55.